జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
O Rama, whatever the Devata Aradhana I have done so far, how many ever Devatas that I have done Namaskaram to, all those Devatas Techa Tvam Abhirakshantu Vane Saha Maharshibhihi. All those Devatas will be taking care of you. All those devatas will be protecting you while you are in the forest. O Rama, Brahmarshi Vishwamitra gave you such a powerful weapons, astras. May all those astras will be protecting you while you are in the forest. Like that, Kausalya Devi trying to confer blessings and protection to Rama in all aspects and all respects and through all possible ways. Now Kausalya Devi, realizing that she cannot stop Rama, now she is saying that, "Oh Rama, I cannot stop you, but now you go and finish your Aranyavasam successfully. For that, I am offering all my blessings. I am offering a great level of protection to you. O Rama, all the seva that you have done to me and to your father, that seva, that dharma will protect you wherever you are. O Rama, you never lied and you always follow the steps of orders of your father, and you always stick to the truth, that Satya Vakya Paripalana, that righteousness, that dharmam will take care of you in all circumstances. O Rama, Chiranjeeva Abhirakshatu, may you be blessed with long life. O Rama, in the forest, in the ashramas, all the rishis, for their yajnas, they use samidhas. Those samidhas may protect you all the time. O Rama, all those darbha that is used by great rishis, the very sacred darbha, may confer you great level of protection to you. O Rama, all those rishis, whatever the yajnas that they are doing, all those Agni Vedikas will protect you all the time. O Rama, all the places of divinities that are temples may protect you all the time. O Rama, all those devatas who are there in the temples having so many wonderful alankarams, decorations, those devatas will protect you all the time. My son Rama, all the mountains, all the trees, all the ponds, all the birds, all the snakes, all the lions, all the animals will protect you. Oh my dear Rama, Swasti Sadhyascha Visvecha Marutascha Maharshayah Swasti Dhata Vidhata Cha Swasti Pusha Bhagoryama. Rama, all the great devatas like Sadhyas, Visve devatas, all the wind devatas, all the Maharshis, Dhata, Vidhata, Virat Purusha, Brahma, Aditya, Pusha, Bhaga, Aryama, Devendra, Lokapalakas, all the seasons, all the fortnights, all the months, all the years, all the nights, all the days, all the muhurtas, everything will confer you great high level, huge level of protection. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.